Hey guys, it's Tom from Velocity. We're in the showroom today and we're going to walk around this 1968 Fastback Mustang. This Mustang's ready to go, it's ready to go home, so we're going to take a walk around it like you see it in the flesh. So let's start by talking about the paint color. This is Acapulco blue. It's not too light, it's not too dark, it's right in the middle. It's a gorgeous blue with a metallic fleck in it. And of course, it's set off by the white racing stripes. These are painted stripes, they're not decals on the hood, on the roof, and along. Coming around the side of the vehicle, then you're going to see all these lovely chrome accents, chrome side mirrors, chrome door handles, chrome window trim, all the things that look really typical on a Fastback Mustang. 17-inch rims on this one with a Continental tire. These vehicles are obviously built for speed. They're not like our trucks. These are spec'd out to really go fast and handle well. Of course, as well, you've got the sail panel that's such an iconic feature of these vehicles. Coming around the back of the Mustang, the white stripes continue, look amazing, and if the front of the Mustang looks good, the back of the Fastback looks absolutely amazing. All the chrome elements, just such an iconic back end of a car. You've got Mustang badging, you've got the GT for the rear boot release, or the trunk release, as you guys would say, LED lights all the way through, Velocity badging. For exhaust on this, we've got a fully custom Baller exhaust. This thing sounds amazing. I'm going to turn it over for you guys in a second, but let's take a quick look at the interior, and then we'll talk about the drivetrain and the underside. So inside the Mustang, we have a black leather interior. Again, this is our signature series, so kind of like our base package. Still amazing, but not over modernized, not over complicated, just simple, durable, operational. You've got a Dakota digital dash, so it all looks original, but it is in fact new. It's all digital. AC in there, you've got a retro sound radio, which is going to do Bluetooth. It can connect to your phone, you can take calls. They look like normal window regulators on the doors, but of course, in Velocity fashion, they are electric. So you pull them up and they're pulled up electric, push them down, they go down. So awesome, awesome interior here. You see that the color from the outside goes all the way into some of the cab details as well. Black works really, really well with this blue exterior color. Let's turn her over, even if you want to head back that way, and I'll give her a quick fire up. Ready? Yep. Sounds good. One little feature that I forgot to mention on these cars is you also get to adjust this side mirror actually internally, which is really cool. I mean, it's cool for a classic car, it obviously was there, but that feature remains. All right, let's talk about what's underneath this vehicle, and it's going to be difficult for you to see just because obviously it's not lifted, but maybe we can throw some B-roll in, or if not, you can see the pictures on this page. This is a full Roadstershop chassis underneath this vehicle. What that means is it's a brand new frame underneath it. It's not just subframe connectors, which is typically what you see on restorations or resto mods of these Mustangs. It is a completely fully formed new frame underneath there. So I can tell you from experience, this car drives amazingly, amazingly well. It's like we like to say it's like a cat on carpet, these Mustangs, but they handle exceptionally well. This one has the Tremec 6-speed, so it's a 6-speed manual. And under the hood, of course, you've got the Generation 3 Coyote, which you see in modern Mustangs. So producing around 460 horsepower. The tune on this one is very different to our Broncos or our trucks, obviously, because it's in the car application. So a little bit more power, tuned differently to handle the road with this kind of a vehicle. So just such a fun, such a high revving, all the torques up in those high revs, just really awesome car to drive. And of course, as well, it's got all of that modern reliability. So turn the key, start the car, it's not going to let you down, you're always going to get home, really easy to service, all that normal stuff. I think that just about covers it. That was a quick overview. Of course, as always, if you've got any more questions, just get back to us, either email us or give us a call. This vehicle is ready to go today. It's gorgeous. 5-litre Coyote, 6-speed manual, Acapulco blue, white racing stripes, Fastback Mustang. Thanks.